Well, look, hey, well, looky here. I wonder what they're transporting under that tarp there. But today's review is going to be all about the GoPro Media Mod. The Media Mod is what allows me to make the video that you guys are watching right now, as well as pretty much all the other content on my channel. So let's get into it.
The Media Mod expands the capabilities of your GoPro and turns it into a video production machine. It has a built-in directional mic, a 3.5mm port for microphones, and a HDMI port to play back your own footage. It is built very rigid and feels heavy duty, so you won't have to worry about it not being able to withstand most weather conditions. It also has 2 cold shoe mounts for additional accessories.
I like the fact that the Media Mod doesn't make it any more difficult to use my actual GoPro. Since GoPro designed this device specifically for their own action camera, they made a very seamless and compatible way to mount this tube straight into your setup.
As of now, I mainly use the Media Mod to plug in my external mic, which has allowed me to upgrade the commentary on my videos. So look at this device as a way to improve or change the content that you currently produce. At this time, I don't really have any negatives about the Media Mod. I can't complain. It's pretty simple in function and gets the job done. Once again, guys, if you are trying to take your GoPro content to another level, this device is a necessity and I highly recommend it. I will leave the Media Mod linked below in the description for you guys to check out. Until next time, I'll see y'all soon.